Hey guys, it's Ryan Butler with Ryan Butler Homes bringing you another bi-weekly video. In today's video, we have Tina from Embrace Home Loans, and she's going to be speaking about renovation loans. I know some people out there really want to look into actually doing a home renovation when they're purchasing a home, and also even if it's just for an investment perspective or just they want to build a home the way that they would like it, these loans are for you. Take it away, Tina.
Hi, this is Tina Del Caselli, and I'm going to talk to you about renovation loans and why they are becoming more popular than ever right now. We are seeing a lot of fixer-uppers out there. Inventory is lean, so in order to get a home in the neighborhood you want, you may have to accept something that hasn't been renovated yet, that the builder hasn't found that you're going to make into your dream home. And that means finding a contractor, picking out fixtures yourself, managing a time frame, and working with your lender to have an approved budget to make sure you're not over-improving the property and that you get the equity value, not the investor who's flipping it and selling it to you. So, conventional renovation loans, this is the benefit. You do not have an upfront mortgage insurance premium of 1.75% added onto your loan, which is eating up some of your instant equity that you get from doing a renovation loan. You do not have to occupy the property. You can be buying it for investment. You can be buying it for a family member to live in. You can also do multi-units. You can do 2, 3, 4 on the conventional and the FHA. Conventional loans don't have MI on them for 30 years, and with only 15% down, investors can get in. What is the negative to a conventional renovation loan versus a FHA loan? Slightly more down payment. You do need 5% down on a conventional renovation loan if you're going to live in the property versus the 3.5% down on the FHA loan. So there are benefits to both. There is no bad choice. The one that gets you your home and the home in the condition that you want it to be is the right one for you. Ryan has worked with other home buyers on successful 203K renovation loans. It takes a certain type of agent. They have to have the patience. They have to have the vision to see what that property can be and to know that the value is in there of what you're going to be looking for. So I hope this got you excited and answered some questions for you on what's going to work for you on 203K renovation loans. Have a great day.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video from Tina. She brought some really good knowledge around renovation loans, both 203K and conventional loans. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, text me, call me, and I'll get you in touch with Tina, and look out for the next video.